The Darknet operates on encrypted networks like Tor, designed to provide anonymity to users. Instead of using traditional Internet protocols, it routes traffic through a series of nodes, making it difficult to trace. Users access the Darknet using special browsers like Tor browser, which conceals their IP addresses. On the Darknet, websites exist as hidden services with addresses ending in onion. These sites often host illicit activities like drug trafficking, cybercrime, and black market sales. Payment is typically done through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, enhancing anonymity. Communication on the Darknet also occurs through encrypted channels, facilitating activities like whistleblowing and anonymous forums. However, the Darknet isn't exclusively used for illegal purposes. It's also a haven for activists, journalists, and individuals seeking privacy in oppressive regimes. Despite its advantages, the Darknet poses significant challenges for law enforcement due to its anonymity features, making it difficult to track criminal activity effectively.